Student, in this video I am telling you redox reactions can be balanced by two methods, oxidation number method and half reaction method. In this video I will tell you oxidation number method. Hello student, I am Shivam Shukla. In this video I am telling you how you can balance a redox reaction. Dear student, generally we balance a redox reaction by two ways. First way by oxidation number method, second way by half reaction method or ion electron method. In this video I am telling you oxidation number method. So look here, oxidation number method. Step 1 is write the skeleton equation for the redox reaction. Write the skeleton equation. Write the skeleton equation for redox reaction. Write the skeleton equation or unbalanced equation for the redox reaction. Step 2. Write the oxidation number of each element. Step 2. Write the oxidation number, ON, oxidation number of each element. Write the oxidation number of each element. Okay, second point, write the oxidation number of each element, or we can also write atom here also. So we can say write the oxidation number of each atom and identify the atom whose oxidation number is changing. Whose oxidation number changing. Step 3. Step 3 is calculate the increase or decrease in oxidation number per atom. Calculate increase or decrease in oxidation number per atom. Step 3 is calculate increase or decrease in oxidation number per atom and for entire molecule or ion in which change occur. Step 4. Multiply suitable number. Step 4 is multiply the formula of species by suitable coefficient. Multiply the formula of species by suitable coefficient. Step 4 is multiply the formula of species by suitable coefficient so that total increase and decrease in oxidation number become equal. So that total increase or decrease in a oxidation number become equal. Step 4. After this, step 5. Step 5 is if reaction is taking place in water, use hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion on appropriate side, means reactant side or product side, so that total charge on both sides become equal. So step 5. Step 5 is reaction is taking place in water. If a reaction is taking place in water, water means neutral medium, then add H ion or OH ion H ion or OH ion. If reaction is taking place in water or neutral medium, then add H ion or OH ion in the expression on appropriate side so that total ionic charge on both sides are equal. So you have to write its full form that I have told you. After this, next, if reaction is taking place in acidic medium, use H ion. Next, if reaction is taking place in a acidic medium, if reaction is taking place in acidic medium, then use hydrogen ion in the equation. Use hydrogen ion in the equation. If reaction is taking place in basic medium, use hydroxide ion in the equation. If the reaction is taking place in a basic medium, use hydroxide ion. After this, make the number of hydrogen ion, step 6 and last, make the number of hydrogen atom equal on both sides by adding, make the number of hydrogen atom equal on both sides by adding water molecules. So dear student, this is the normal rule. Prepare it. If you have any doubt, then ask me. In next video, I will tell you some numericals related to this method.